Students of class 10th, today we have to start exercise 7.2, question number 6. I will write down the question here. Question says if 1 2 4y x6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then find x and y. This is the question. Now to take it out broken credit to find the question number 6 on page number 173. Question is, the question says, if 1 2 4y x6 and 3 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. So we are given in this question, we are given that the 4 vertices of a parallelogram. So to ये एक parallelogram 4 vertices taken in order. ठीक है? Say x 1 2 ब्याक्ष 4y ब्याक्ष x comma 6 and ब्याक्ष coordinate choice ब्याक्ष point choice vertical choice 3 comma 5. Say अगर इस थावुक in order that we represent these 4 vertices of a parallelogram by A, B, C, D. Say इस थावन A with coordinates 1 2, ठीक है, 4y, let it be B, vertex B, x comma 6 is थावन vertex C, and 3 5, let it be vertex D. Next order A, B, C, D. You should given. So we are given the 4 vertices, the coordinates of the 4 vertices of a parallelogram, say A, B, C, D. The question is find x and y. Which I said question of kya karun chhe is vertex C chu ime coordinate x comma 6. So ime coordinate x ime value chhe kadun and y chu b abscissa. So we have to find the ordinate of point C and abscissa of point D, x and y. Number दोनों chhe values kadun. ठीक है? For the most solution, let's let A 1 2, B 4y, C x6 and D 3 5 be the vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C, D. ठीक? Now x to y value काटने खातिर. How we will get the value of x? You shall seek coordinate and value of y, the abscissa of vertex B. क्या करो एक्चुअली ऐसे पता अगर इस diagonal ड्रा करो, एक diagonal go AC, ब्याक diagonal बने BD, and we know the diagonals of a parallelogram they bisect each other. They bisect each other. ठीक है? bisect. That means अगर AC the BD diagonal draw, they will bisect say at point O. Clear? So O क्या बनते? O बनते midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of BD. Clear? So let's now draw diagonals AC and BD. Ask us the diagonal draw AC and BD. Let's since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means diagonals are a parallelogram bisect. That is O is the mid of. O is the mid of. So midpoint it is mid of AC and BD. So droney diagonal carry bisect. That means droney diagonal is midpoint. Or we can say O will divide AC in the ratio 1:1. Yeh O as kara divide BD is kath ratio 1:1. ठीक है ये O midpoint AC divide 1:1 ratio. If O has midpoint of BD, it gets divided in the ratio 1:1. So that is O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Clear? O's. Let we put the coordinates of this point O as x and y. X, y. Or we can say AB. Let it be AB. Let it be A because x was here as value card. This one of O's coordinates as midpoint of AC and as midpoint of BD as AB. Okay? It's like that is O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Now let the coordinates of O be A comma B. So A B मानो इस इमेज coordinates. So अगर इस A B थे इमेज coordinates तले से जिसने इमेज की ordinate छो A as midpoint of AC अगर इसको consider इस A छो तो इसलिए को now coordinates of O as midpoint of AC are. So अगर इस O थो midpoint AC युग फिर क्या ऐसे मुक A the ordinate as midpoint of AC. Now so x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So A is equal to 1 plus as midpoint formula. We will use here midpoint formula. So A will be equal to yes x1 plus x2 that is 1 plus x divided by 2 and B is equal to FCSA should B का बराबर है 2 plus 6 divide by yes 1 plus 1 that is 2. Clear? And or अगर simplify करो नहीं even 2A is equal to 1 plus x and it will be 2B is equal to 2 plus 6 that is 8. Clear? Or you go 2A is equal to 1 plus x and here B is equal to 4. 8 by 2 that is 4. Okay? So B value draw as 4 and by the equation 2A is equal to 1 plus x. Clear? Now it is first. Now coordinates of O as midpoint of BD. So let's O thousand as midpoint of BD. Then क्या बन इमें coordinates? तब बने A is equal to यह A. A is equal to x1 plus x2 that is 3 plus 4 divided by 2 and इसमें abscissa are B. B will be 5 plus y divided by 2. Clear? Or when B again when B 2A is equal to 8 by cross multi 7 2A is equal to 7 and let's go 2B is equal to 5 plus y. Let it be equation second. Clear? So what is first one is B value. First one the value of B. You can substitute in equation second here. Yes means there we will get value of y. ठीक है इतना अगर एक वैल्यू तो लो सेकंड में एक ही नंबर तो लो एक वैल्यू 2A is equal to 7 तो लो एक वैल्यू इतना वन फर्स्ट में here in this equation and we will get value of x. ठीक है इसलिए हो now putting B equal to 4 ये तो मुझे B 4 ये तो लोग का फर्स्ट राउंड equation second में putting B equal to 4 from first in equation second we get yes what we will get Even 2b is equal to 5 plus y implies 2 into 4, because value of b is 4, is equal to 5 plus y. Implies 8 is equal to 5 plus y. Therefore, y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. So we got here value of y. Clear? Second means a value. Here a is, when 2a is 7, then what is a? 7 by 2. So a equal to 7 by 2. From equation second, put equation first means 2a is equal to 1 plus x. Then you will solve this and you will get here value of x. So similarly, we can write similarly, putting a equal to 7 by 2 from second in equation first, we get, okay? We get when 2a is equal to 1 plus x implies 2 into 7 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x. Now 2 cancel, implies 7 is equal to 1 plus x. Therefore, x is equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. Clear? So hence, you can write down here, hence x equal to 6 and y equal to 3 is our answer. The values of x and y. So effort को ऐसे question, ठीक है? Simply क्या होता है? Parallelogram A B C D. Actually, इमें 4 vertices दित, 4 vertices his coordinates given. We are given the coordinates of 4 vertices of a parallelogram. Let it be A B C D, and of which are simply value of x and value of y coordinate. इम खतर क्या करें? Diagonal zikr draw, and as we know, the diagonals of a parallelogram, they bisect each other. So this point of intersection O, here this point, it will be midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of BD. What क्या करें? God करें O coordinates as AB. So A to B करें as midpoint. This midpoint formula apply. Imi coordinates as midpoint of AC. But imi O coordinates as midpoint of BD. There we will get two equations. Okay? Ach pat ek value x mu tolun travan big equation get value of x. Big value tolun travan big equation get value of y. Okay? So it is I think it is enough for today, and for tomorrow we will start from question number 8. Okay, 7. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.